Okay, to determine if ever the integrity of certain things or not. Okay. So, assume na ako in front ka na, ako niya in front. Aliman, nalot ako na in front here. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cover one eye of the patient, or you can ask the patient to cover his or her eye, one eye. Assume na ako sa front ha. Okay, then you place your finger in front. Okay, ma'am, I'm going to place my finger in front. Can you see it clearly? As the patient makita rin siya clearly. Kaya naman hindi siya makapalo. Or perhaps if ever na siya eyeglasses, pwede rin naman siya aware. Although, ang muna i-note is the movement masayable and not is visual action. Okay, ma'am, I would just want you to follow the movement of my finger. And then you as the therapist, when you move, and as well, you move yung eyeballs, you have to observe ang pag-excursion siya action. Okay, ma'am? Pala, so this will be first superior rectus, inferior rectus, medial rectus, lateral rectus, inferior oblique, then superior oblique. Okay, observe, and then observe, no? Yan using again the other eye. Cover sa one eye. Then again, observe the excursion. So same para pagyapon ng pag-move sa other eye. Okay na? And after na, both eyes na. Both eyes, observe there. Na. There. Okay. So if ever you observe na fully moving niya without difficulty, full excursion, so great that as functional. But if ever you notice na may nag-isod ng usa, or perhaps, for example, maglungan ang duha, ang usa naka-move yung saka, ang usa na-release. So, you grade that as an movement there, kasi ito minimal. So, you grade that as weak functional. If ever you observe na cute yung tayo ang motion, cute yung tayo, so you grade that as non-functional. Ma'am, follow up. Okay, ganda. Gamay na yung ka. So, you grade as non-functional. Or, but if ever wala emotion, as we mentioned over, either you can palpate or not. But take note, your extraocular muscle, you cannot palpate for it. You cannot insert your finger dito sa eye para mo palpate. So, if di ka siya accessible for palpation, ay naman ba muscle di accessible for palpation, wag siya yung movement, automatic na siya zero, hindi siya accessible for palpation. Here, back. Enough. So that is for eye tracking. Okay, another example then. Okay, next question. Opening of the eyes. So you have your levator palpebral superioris. Okay. So here you're going to ask the patient, ma'am, I want you to open your eyes as much as you can. So open your eyes, open, and open. Only normal. Kung abnormal pa mo, okay, so, ayan, open as much as you can. Fully open your eyes. So that will not be the time that you're going to observe resistance you apply it, diba? Resistance, using the thumbnail. So you're going to apply now the resistance. Okay, so ma'am, basta ang clue nyo pag-apply sa resistance na kung ma-fully yun niya ma-achieve ang action. Kung partial na hindi na ma-act ang resistance, go to the next lower grade. Okay. So, ma'am, I'm going to place my thumb here on your eyelid, and then I'm going to close your eyes. But you have to resist my force in such a way that you don't allow me to close your eyes. Naka-jig ka. Yung apply ninyo, hindi ninyo doon makiluma. You just try to feel kung na may resistance. Kailangan. Open. Then, don't let me close your eyes. Okay. So, na-feel niyo ang resistance and the patience. So, na-tolerate mo niya. So, therefore, you grade that as functional. But pag-apply mo resistance, pag-apply mo dito tayo close, bumuk kayo while na-feel mo resistance, so you grade that as weak functional. Naka-G. Or sa weak functional lang na grade. Or pag-ask mo, ma'am, I want you to open your eyes. Pag-open niya, Ano ba? Greater motion, but wag yun ang full, so we can still grade that as fully functional here. But if ever, ano, mama, uyog ka na, pala naman ka, or sure ka nga, walang ka. Okay, ano rin yun, so, very minimal, so you grade that as non-functional here. Or, mom, I want you to open your eyes. Why you can notice your motion? So you try to palpate it there. See ma'am, try pa yun. Then, try to feel kung makapalpate pa ka. Kung palpable contraction, so you still would grade that as 1. Here. Kung wala, 0. Here na. Okay, last example. Next pa yun. Okay, so you have this closing of the eyes. We already have discussed this in lecture, di ba?
Yes.
Katong facial muscle eh. So closing of the eyes. Only ako yung mention this in lecture that we're going to tackle this for. I want you to close your eyes as much as you can. Close. So fully close mo na siya. So apply resistance. So here ma'am, I'm going to apply my finger ma'am. I'm going to open your eyes, but you have to resist my finger against opening your eyes. So don't allow me to open your eyes. Ma'am, it close. Then open it. There. Feel it. You just try to feel it. Naka-resist mo siya. Dito imove yung ukbon yung kuhan. Natiglumbay yung here. So if ever again maka-resist siya, so you grade that as 5. But if ever pag open mo, yung open tayo, nakalit, so what your resistance is, you grade that as weak functional here. Or another grade for weak functional is that you ask the patient to close her eyes. So pag close niya, napag gamay na bilin mo, wag yung fully na close, so you grade that as weak functional. Still, here ha. And then for non-functional, ma'am, I want you to close your eyes. Mana na? Malinaw na. Gamay na pag-close. So, you can grade that as non-functional here. Or, ma'am, I want you to close your eyes. Huwag yung motion. Palpate the muscle here. Keep your eyes off sleep. Ma'am, sige tayo with. So, huwag na feel. So, kung na feel, so non-functional. Kung na feel here. Here, G. Continue the rest. Right? The mga action there. Illustration, how to test, etc. Great. Okay, so 340